Hello friends, I welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel Tarpan Shah, and today I am going to give you an idea about how to deliver a speech in a very effective way. So let us see this topic, okay? Because on multiple occasions, it can be your World Physiotherapy Day, it can be your Independence Day, Republic Day, or there are multiple occasions where you may have to deliver a speech. So in that case, okay, if you are following certain do's and don'ts, okay, you can improve your presentation. Let us see. Now first you make sure about the venue where you have to deliver the speech, okay, and how you are going to reach that venue and what will be about your dress code. I'm not discussing this in this particular video. Now the speech which you are going to divide that preparation of the speech into the three phases. First, you collect the information and material on a specific topic about which you are going to give a speech. Second, after collecting the information and material, scrutinize it, selection of the materials and the facts which you are going to say. And third one is arrangement and sequence finalization, that in which particular sequence you are going to deliver the speech. Remember, it is very easy to give a speech for hours together, hours and hours, but it is very difficult when you have given a very specific time like 2 minutes, 3 minutes and 5 minutes, and to give an effective presentation in such a short time, it's always a challenge. So do a good preparation. Okay, let's see. Now in the earlier time, it was difficult to collect the information on specific topic. Okay, we were always in a need to collect the information from experts or from newspaper or from magazines or from library. Even you can search about any topic from the above mentioned source, but with the availability of internet, okay, now you will get the information about almost all the topics from the net. Now for the collection of the information, you can search on internet, books, you can meet the experts of that field, newspaper, magazines, research articles, etc. Now after searching from these 6 different places, okay, what you need to collect? After searching, you will get facts, statistical data, interesting information, past, present and future of that topic. Now to make your speech very interesting, you can add some small stories, any incidents, interesting ideas, jokes, etc. The golden rule for any effective speech is, first is to gain the attention of your audience. Second, the storytelling is very important. It has a very long impact on the audience. Okay, you can add any interesting idea, jokes, etc. as well. You can take advice from anyone in your family or a friend who is good at giving the speech. Okay, so they'll give you some practical tips which you can use it. Now what are the things you have to do? Okay, take the detailed information about the audience age, education, gender, geographical location and financial status of the audience. So say if you may be very good at giving a speech in English, but your audience will be very comfortable with the understanding in the regional language. So in that case, you need to have an idea about your audience, okay, as well. Second, take correct information and do not bluff. Okay, whatever the data which you are going to present, okay, don't try to bluff. Okay, you need to have a good, correct information. Give new and interesting information. Okay, so your audience will maintain interest in your speech. Don't hurt the sentiment of the audience and be particular about the timing of speech. Okay, sometimes some people will give such a long speech, audience will feel that when you will go from the stage. So maintain the timing of the speech. Be properly prepared irrespective of amount of people in audience. Don't take it for granted that number of people are less, so I'll be able to do it in a very effective way. Give a equal preparation if the number of people are less or more. Give your best and give your good effort for delivering the speech. Now what you need to do, once the content for the speech is finalized, divide it into 3 parts. Just suppose you are preparing a speech for 20 minutes, divided into the 3 parts, beginning 2 to 4 minutes, middle 12 to 14 minutes and end 2 to 4 minutes. Now you can keep beginning and end, that means point number 1 and 3 at the same duration, okay, and the middle portion of your speech will be the little longer one. Now what you need to do, beginning of any speech should be effective and impressive. So as I told you, you have to gain the attention of the audience. Second, you have to connect with the audience. And third, you need to slowly make them understand and you try to give your message. Within a first few minutes, the audience will be able to know your potential, and based on that they will give attention to your speech. If your start is good and you are confident, okay, half the war is won. And gain the attention of the audience first in the beginning, and you can start your speech by any poem, any sayari, any facts with the data, saying, joke, small story, by praising the audience, etc. These are the effective way to gain the attention and to convey your message in a proper way. Middle part is like, the main part of your speech. In that, focus on main points and not on the multiple points. Don't get deviated from the topic on which you are giving the speech. Divide the main part and try to explain it in a simple way. Make use of helpful assistance technique. It can be your audio visual aids, it can be involving the audience, okay, and there are multiple ways of involving, you can make use of it for convey your message. What are the points to ponder? Deliver the content in an attractive way, maintain good up and down in your voice tone, and maintain a good quality of voice.